In this video, we'll give you a tour of the Sage Year-End Center. The first couple of months of a new year is always a challenge. There are things that you probably do just once a year, and it's easy to forget how. Or perhaps you're new to the company and don't know how. There's one place that you can go that has all the information that you'll need to get through this hectic time. The Sage Year-End Center. All your resources are here in this one place. Procedures for end-of-the-year processing, knowledge base articles on how-tos, the latest software and tax downloads, even complimentary training videos. To get to the Sage Year-End Center, type www.sagecity.com/yearend in the address bar of your web browser. This is the Sage Year-End Center homepage. Although you don't need an account to view the information, you do need one to participate in the Sage City forum discussions, so it's always good to log in with your Sage City account. Almost every Sage solution has its own year-end center that you can get to from this homepage. This takes you to the Year-End Center homepage for this Sage product. The most important things are knowing what needs to get done and what software and tax updates you need to install, right? They're all right here. The information is organized into 4 categories: Read, Learn, Checklists, and Updates. The links under each category take you to other pages for additional information. For example, under Read, each link takes you to a page with a list of commonly searched knowledge base articles on year-end procedures and concerns. Under Learn, you can use the links to access a complete library of complimentary instructional videos or go to Sage University to find a class you want to take. The links under Updates take you to the Sage Knowledge Base, where you can search for articles, download the latest software update or tax update, or get to product documents. Use the links under Checklists to find out what critical tasks need to be completed for year-end. Choose a checklist. Let's use the one for U.S. payroll. These are the tasks to complete for payroll. Some items even have a link to a knowledge base article for step-by-step instructions. If you want to print this list out for reference, click the Printable Checklist button. To jump to another area of the Year-End Center for this Sage product, use the table of contents on the left. To return to this product's Year-End Center homepage, click Year-End Center at the top. Let's examine other areas of this homepage. Under Now Trending, you can click any tag to return a list of topics with that tag. Links to other useful resources are at your fingertips. Can't find what you need on this page or through the Sage Knowledge Base? Start an online chat with an analyst. Remember to bookmark this page so you can easily find it the next time you're back on Sage City. The Sage Year-End Center is your to-go place for help, guidance, and documents for the busiest time of the year.